Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Areeba drawing tutorials. I am drawing a simple scenery using a 6HP pencil. You can use any pencil, marker or pointer. There are no restrictions. This is general beginners easy drawing. So anybody can draw it easily, children, especially beginners. So draw with me. I'm drawing two curvy lines just like this. And now I'm drawing a double line beneath it to make the brink of the river. And similarly the curvy line on the top, I am drawing some houses over that just like this, and some bushes. I hope you like my drawings. Do comment on my drawings how they are, and don't forget to subscribe. So I'm about to make the other parts of the scenery, drawing the houses and the trees in it. So stay tuned, watch it till end, and don't forget to subscribe. Allah.